Hey guys, this is Mona from Dainty Bite. I don't know what I was thinking picking up a 6-pound cabbage head from the grocery store, but I'm really glad I did. I made the most amazing stuffed cabbage rolls. My family loved them and I hope your families will love them too. As you can see, I'm making deep slits all around the top of the cabbage. This will make them release easily in the hot boiling water. I wipe 16 ounces of mushroom clean, set them aside and prep the cabbage. I place in hot boiling water until they soften a little bit and they will release very easily. Meanwhile, I'm gonna prep the filling. I have 4 to 5 cloves of garlic chopped finely, and I also have 2 shallots that I'm gonna chop finely as well. I'm using some mushroom for this recipe, 16 ounces of baby bella mushroom. If you don't like mushroom, you can skip the mushroom, or you can use 2 red bell peppers or green bell peppers instead. I'm gonna add everything together, the garlic, the shallots, the mushroom, all inside a hot cast iron pan. I added 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of butter. Cook until all the liquid disappears and the mushroom is nice and golden. This will take 5 minutes. This is what it's gonna look like. I move them to a clean bowl and let them cool completely before I add the rest of the filling. I make rolled cabbage rolls in lemon garlic sauce, but this one is a different recipe and it's really good as well. Now that the mixture is a little cooler, I add some tomato paste and the ground beef. You can use ground chuck, which has a little bit more fat, or you can use sirloin. It's totally up to you. I'm adding 1 cup of jasmine rice. I love to use jasmine rice. It works really well. You can rinse the rice, but you don't need to soak the rice. I'm gonna season with salt, black pepper, and a touch of allspice, not too much. And you'll be finding all the amounts and all the ingredients in the description box below the video. So check it out. Mix the filling well and set aside. The filling is ready and now I'm ready to roll the cabbage. You can make the cabbage as big or as small as you want. I'm removing the tough center and I'm cutting each leaf in 2, just like so. I'm adding 2 good tablespoons of the filling. Roll just like I'm showing you. You can remove any extra edges with a knife just to make them look neat and beautiful. I'm actually reusing the same cast iron pan I used to saute the mushroom. There is no need to wash or clean the cast iron pan. I finished the whole amount. You can make as much as you want. I did not end up using the whole head of cabbage. I saved some, about 2 pounds, for later. So all you need for this recipe is a 4-pound cabbage. If you're liking my recipes, please don't forget to subscribe, support my channel, look at my other social media. The links are in the description box below and also in my profile. For more flavor, I'm gonna add half a head of garlic. You don't need to peel or anything. Just add them whole, just like so. You can add tomato puree or you can add some tomato paste. It's totally up to you. And like I said, the amounts are in the description box below the video. I add 2 to 3 cups of hot boiling water, enough to cover the cabbage, just like so. I season slightly with salt, cover with a leaf or 2, and you can cook in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 1.5 to 2 hours, watching the liquid at all times, or you can simply cook on top of the stove, covered for 1.5 to 2 hours. Make sure there's enough liquid for them to cook nicely. This is a dish that's even better the next day. I hope you give it a try. It is so good, satisfying, and on the healthy side. Give it a try. Let me know what you think in the comments box below. And until next time, bon appétit!